Hey, so I'll be showing how to use this Kreg face clamp that came with my pocket hole jig. And so we'll start off with it closed, just like this. And so all you have to do to open it up is split these two handles. Split this handle from this fixed one here. You just split it just like that. Push this small one into there to fully disengage the clamp, and now it's ready to get moved around. And so if I want to clamp, say, this 2x4, all I have to do is this little screw down here, turning it clockwise will get the clamp face closer. So if I'm turning a couple times clockwise and I close it, you can see now it's closed, hitting the face, it's touching. Then if I turn it counterclockwise a couple times and I close it again, you can see it's not touching anymore. So this you just have to turn counterclockwise to make the gap bigger, clockwise to make it tighter. And so if I want to clamp this 2x4, what I have found to be the easiest way is to open the clamp, see if it'll fit just as it is. I can see it's pretty tight now, won't go on. So what I'll do is I'll turn this clockwise to make the gap bigger, turn it quite a bit, and then I'll set it over, and then I can try and close it, but I see here it's still pretty tight, still pretty hard to close. So I'll twist it even more here, make it nice and wide. See if it'll close now. So then I put it over my workpiece, and now see here I have it way too loose, and so now it's all just kind of a guessing game here. But so then if I turn this more clockwise, make it a little tighter, just a little bit, nothing crazy. Put the workpiece back up, and then I close my clamp. I can see it's getting there. It's not super close, but now what I can do is I can just tighten this up a couple turns again to see if it'll fit perfectly. Put it over my workpiece. Now that's pretty tight, but see, it still slides off. So now to get the perfect fit, all I do is I just tighten this up. Maybe I'll do 3 full turns, and then I can put my clamp on there. Okay, actually 3 was too many. Do just 2 from where I was. Try and clamp it down. It's pretty tight still. I don't really like that. Do a half turn there, and then I can. Now my clamp's fully pressed down, and my workpiece has been clamped. So now to disengage the clamp, just like I did before, just split that, and there you go.